Hey guys, just wanted a quick note to be shared here. Just wanted to tell you that if you're building a B2B SaaS startup, but you are not focused yet on the lead generation, email marketing system, or the content management system, you're actually leaving a lot of opportunities on the table unaddressed because it can actually potentially be, if it's done correctly and designed properly, and in time, you can actually make a killing and actually tap into all the opportunities you have. Otherwise, if you're going to limit it to only email, cold email, or contact-based sales reps who are actually going door to door or client to client and actually connecting, that would actually be an unfortunate lack of adequate tapping of the opportunities. So be sure to properly understand and design email marketing system, content management system, as well as an appropriate lead generation system in all. If they are once fully integrated and appropriately automated, you will have a significant 10x of what you would otherwise achieve from the same product line. To find out more, just be logged into this space and I'll come back to you with some details in webinars and so on. Take care and good day.